Let me show you why you got to be careful who you sign up for with credit repair, because this guy says he offers a 120-day money-back guarantee, but all the reviews online prove otherwise. Take a look.
We have a 120-day satisfaction guarantee, and we got that within just 100 days, so we're pretty good on that regard. Collections are, they could be tricky, but it takes experience, and I would recommend just working with a professional. And yeah, that was his Credit Karma, and as you can see right here, these are the dispute investigation results right there. You can check them out right there. Hope you can see that. That is from, I think it's from, it's one of the bureaus. I don't know. It could be from Experian, could be from Equifax. I think it's from Equifax. Looks like Equifax.
So like I said, just be careful when searching for credit repair. A lot of these people, they know what they're talking about. They just don't practice what they preach. So just wanted to point this out. This is everybody's favorite credit repair scammer, Andre Nguyen of Pinnacle Credit Repair. Sometimes he goes by Pinnacle Credit Management and God knows what else. But anyway, y'all have a great day.